recording is in progress.
Okay, yes, I
Okay.
already.
I want to know about that program that you done for the designing and improvement of the house can be tolerated in the big shaking in the earthquake, Chimpabumi. How is it working? And you can tell us in this lifetime in any places if you have any statistic about this. How is spread and how many, for example, they are using this, and more detail also that I will ask you. Just you can start. And now, Alhamdulillah, let me recording. Now the code will be is recording. Okay. Thank you. Good. Change the background. Good. Good comments.
Is that okay? The sound? Could I?
Yeah, I can hear. Okay.
Okay, Red, you start.
Yeah, if you hear, you can briefly talk about your work in this field. That is, I think, designing and improving the house that can tolerate big shake in earthquake. And I just, but you please explain yourself. At what you done and a specification of your project in the compare with another project. Also, you can mention if also you have some localization on the base of the environment of Indonesia. Also, we can talk about it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. Okay, now I introduce myself that I'm Professor Sarwidi from Indonesia. Basically, that I based town in Yogyakarta, in the center of Indonesia, and I work for earthquake disaster reduction. Mean that factually that my background is civil engineering. From as a civil engineering background, I study in Indonesia in my university, the Islamic University of Indonesia, and then I continue my master and my PhD in New York, in Troy, New York, in United States of America, and the name is Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, or RPI, in Troy. After I graduated from United States of America in 1998, and I came back to Indonesia as a lecturer in my university in Yogyakarta. Now, beside the my works in as a lecturer in Yogyakarta, I also usually I like to study in the field as well as to the community, especially for the activity of disaster risk reduction and earthquake engineering. And I have already studied that in Indonesia, it's different from the engineering that categorized as engineered buildings. Is always done, and the regulation, the provision is very complete in the world. But the problem in Indonesia is about the non-engineered houses. because the non-engineered houses is what we call suitable for only Indonesia actually. That is many, maybe million, yeah, 10 of million house in Indonesia is already using the masonry actually, and masonry is very mass, but unfortunately that the yes, I start again.
Yeah, but during your explanation, I found that your looking direction is little to left side. You please, like now you are looking in the lens. Now is okay. Please, in the time of speech, look your lens, the lens of the mobile. For example, here, the lens. But if you look to the other side, your face is like this.
Let
Change.
me check how to
You know.
actually I have to computer then. I now is in using the computer is one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one here is uh, handphone. Handphone I just use for monitor. So actually that not really okay. I'll try
Oh yes, I got it.
to move.
If you just look direct to me or the lens, it's very good. And okay, now bagus.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Could I continue my story?
Yeah, you can continue, please. We are recording.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
And in Indonesia, actually, there are categorized the house or building in the world is a engineer house, and the other one is non-engineer house. So for engineer house is already established the standard for around the world, so there is no problem. And then during the earthquake, the problem is because of the damage of non-engineer houses. We call it as a non-engineer building or infrastructure. So, in the non-engineered houses, there is a very locally different each other, but we basically that we can make in line that there is a connection each other using the masonry building in one story usually, and because of for example, in the village, a lot of people still have enough land to provide for their house. So usually they like to have one-story houses. And then after the big earthquake, usually, and then the houses are collapsed, and then a lot of people inside and become trapping and getting hurt, or maybe some of them are dead because of the collapse of houses. The other, of course, and the majority of the cause, mostly in the case of earthquake disaster in Indonesia, uh, because of loss of property of the non-engineer houses, because non-engineer houses. But for engineer houses is no problem. And that's why I developed for the model of earthquake non-engineer houses in Indonesia since the early 2000. And I saw in the picture that I sent you also the picture that there are different performance in between the earthquake resistant engineer. We call it my Barataga, is that the people houses for resistant house, and different from the regular houses around that. The regular houses around them, of course, collapse or very heavy damage, and Barataga and my model is not having significant damage. Sometimes only cracking, small cracking like that. Even if it is close to the epicenter of the houses. So actually that we can do that help the problem. But of course, we have to step by step to develop and also to introduce to the people. And I have already, but of course, because of the people is a million people that we should socialize or should introduce to them. So we need time, of course, to introduce that my concept like that, brother.
Doctor, would you please tell us now how many, for example, cities or places, region in Indonesia are using this idea for construction or improvement of the style of buildings and houses? How many area are using? Because it's lifetime, I think you are introducing this idea.
Yeah, actually, it's not yet calculated in definitely or accurately because the building now is already developing. The building now move on from time to time, and of course, become a large number of house to be developed now. For the new houses, closing to Yogyakarta city, for example, is okay because I have already trained for many construction people to build this kind of houses. But the problem is because we have a million people around there outside of Yogyakarta that we need time to introduce them. So if in percent actually that later is about maybe only that suitable mostly is about less than 30% is in earthquake engineering houses like that. But the rest are not so compatible with the earthquake standard like that.
Yeah, Doctor, in your program or your idea for reconstruction, I think the house, what is the difference of the price of the normal house and the house that you constructed? Difference. You can tell in the rupiah also, no problem.
Of course, the price of the houses depend on the material and also the man-made salary, for example, depend on the transportation, etc. But I call it, for example, if the original building is now, original house is now is 100%, so my model is about 115 to 120%. Then if we said that is in scientific statement, it should be that the regular houses in here is not standard. So it means that my house is standard 100%, and now the people is still building about 80% or 70% of the price. So this is the problem. Then there is an earthquake, big earthquake, and then become a lot of houses are collapsed. Yeah.
Yeah. And one thing I want to check with you that in the news we had that in Indonesia, because of the building the houses that is also nearly cheap, I think, not very, but it could be successful to decreasing the fatality. And from 10 years ago, they show that this is very less than before. I forgot the name of the person in the Indonesia that mentioned it. If you want to talk about it also, you have any comment? That
Yeah,
during
actually,
yes.
yeah, actually that one model and other is different content. But in my model, I just let the people to choose. So I don't make any many change of the concept of the people likes, because I make the new one. Of course, we need about 10 years, 20 years, 50 years to introduce. So I have just already to develop the regular building to become earthquake resistant. And the other is a little bit new. So they have the problem also, the time to introduce themselves. Actually, that I introduced already, but not so much difficult other than the other models. The other model look like that is very new, it's very cheap, but the people doesn't like, and then the it's very strong, and then it's very expensive, etc. So we use the concept of BMW NIH. BMW mean how to B mean biaya in Indonesia, we call it the cost. the building, how try to reduce the cost while still we resist, or we still stand for the quality. Mutu, M mean mutu mean quality. So quality is also related to the force or anything that related to earthquake shaking in a place or in a zone, for example. So my building also can suitable to be different jurisdiction, because some of the building are some of zone is very heavy risk and the other are not, and then my building also can adjust that one. Yeah, this
Yes.
is it. Also the time,
Yes.
if we need time, for example, if we found that there is no, it's very difficult to find the construction workers. So I use also my model. One of my model is using partial fabrication of the elements like that. So I just let the people to choose what they're building. I just motivate how to make their building to become earthquake resistant like that. So there is no, it's not new approach. There is new technology. No technology. Of course, on the engineering views, we try to have the maximum engineering views, and also to accommodate with if there is a new technology for building materials like that.
Okay, Doctor, thanks a lot for your time. And finally, I want to ask again you, if possible, do you have any movie or video recording from yourself when you are working in the laboratory? Because you have a laboratory, I saw in them that you check the cement and button shaking in the YouTube, I saw it. If yourself have something like this also, if you send it for me, inshallah, I will use it in the short documentary that we are preparing. Do you have something?
Yeah, actually that I could I think I already in YouTube. Yeah, in YouTube you just find my name Sarwidi and then shaking or building or earthquake resistant, and then will come. Maybe for example I try to give you example to find the people. Oh, sharing is not.
Doctor, I searched before, I found some example and download it. But one thing that is in the YouTube, that most of them have a lot of logo or subtitle writing or something that the whole frame is not very clear for you. If possible, I want to ask you, but from the YouTube, I am searching, and also in the YouTube, I found you.
Yeah, okay, just try. You try to get, I try to find the new one that is clear picture, because sometimes I
Okay,
don't have
maybe
the, yeah,
in your archive, in your archive, maybe you have some uh, more clear, if can.
yeah. I'll try to find out if possible
Okay,
to sign to
okay.
take the,
And
yeah,
doctor, uh, maybe it is a strong question, but uh, because if you use your mobile for recording, the quality of our talking is very better than the Zoom. You know better. Can
yeah.
if,
So you need,
if 2 minutes, if possible. If not, never mind. If you
yeah.
have
I think
possible, two
yeah,
minutes,
the
use
problem
your
was the time.
mobile in the horizontal
Yes,
and record it. Just looking the uh, mobile and talking, and send it for me again. I check and I use the best quality because I want to have a best quality because we internet is very helpful, but Zoom, the quality of DPI is not very much.
okay.
Thank you again. Thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
okay. I'll try
Super.
maybe tonight because I'm now in the campus and lecturing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and then I'll try to back home because the
And
in my home I have the the call up, we call it my Simutaga apparatus that
Ah,
one, and I can
yeah.
run at home. Yeah.
And 2 minutes talking also from your side. 2 minutes. Okay, 2 or 3 minutes talking with the mobile. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Inshallah. Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I tell you
Kita.
goodbye and check my recording. Inshallah, everything is be okay. Thank you very much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Okay.
I will let you know after finishing all.
Okay, sure. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Assalamu alaikum. Jumpa lagi.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.